Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about Google Ads conversion tracking. First of all, you need to install my app. Then you have to fill up these elements. For these, you need to have a Google Ads account. Here is my Google Ads account. First of all, let me enable my app. Click on active extension. Here I have to enable the app and click on save. Now let's move to Google Ads account. So here I have to click on conversions. Here you will see these are the conversions I have made previously, but now I'll go for new one. Let me click on new conversion action and click on website. Here I have to paste the website URL. Click on scan. Here we have to add a conversion action manually. Click on it. Select a category. Let's select purchase. Write a name for your conversion. Here you have to click on use different values for each conversion. Click on done. Add conversion action. Now add to cart. Use different values for each conversion and done. Another conversion. Begin checkout. Lastly, we have to make a conversion for page view. Click on page view. Use different values for each conversion. Done. So we have made our conversion. Now click on save and continue. Now we have to move to use Google Tag Manager. From here we have to copy the conversion ID and paste it in our store. Here you can see the conversion labels. Let me copy it one by one and paste it in the store, in our app. Purchase label, add to cart, make sure you must paste it carefully. New checkout, begin checkout, and the last one, new page view. Now click on save. Here we have to copy additional script. Click on checkout setting. And paste it over here. Click on save. Now move back to the app. I have done this. I have done the above steps. Click save. Now let's move to our online store and perform any activity. Let me add any product to cart. Let's check. Page view label is tracked. check out. Here you can see weekend checkout is also tracked. Now let's make a purchase. Let's check the extension to see is our purchase tracked or not. Move back to the app. Here you can see our purchase label is also tracked. If I reload this page, you will see there will be no conversion or conversion labels in the extension. So here I am on my Google Ads account, and it is a new and updated design of Google Ads account. Here you can see the status inactive, active, and needs attention, and no recent conversion. If you can see in inactive, we haven't verified your tag yet, which usually takes up to 3 hours after someone visits your page containing that tag. If we make more conversions, then unverified status will be disappeared, and once the tag is installed, it will show no recent conversion. Here you can see, and when someone clicks on our sponsored product through ads link click, then it will show the active status, and if conversion tag is inactive, then it will show the needs attention. This is how our app works. I have been working as a digital marketer for the last 5 years, and I personally recommend this app to all of you. I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.